So in preparation for the grand opening at Redlands Ranch, or I say the grand opening, our first time, we're gonna go sit out in the blind and see how it's all gonna work out for us. I've still got a little more prep work to do. I'm back home now, which is about 250 miles away from Redlands Ranch. I'm here on Hackberry Farm, and we are making little Lazy Susan type devices that you can set your camera on in the blind and be able to rotate it silently while the animals are moving out in front of you. So pretty simple project. I just bought all my stuff at Hobby Lobby. Bought the Lazy Susan assembly, bought some Luan plywood as well as some cork, and then I've got the Luan cut out, I've got the cork cut out according to the size of the Lazy Susans. So next step is to glue the Luan onto the cork, or vice versa, glue the cork onto the Luan, and that way that'll give us a little bit of structure to the top of this thing, and then we'll attach those to the Lazy Susan. And then the last step is a little bit of a surprise, so stay tuned. So we're just using this contact cement spray on. Makes it pretty easy. It's all surface contact cement, so we'll spray it on both sides, let it sit just a minute, then stick it all together. So our last step is to mount these on the Lazy Susan, and then we'll be ready to go. And there you have it. Once we have the top and the bottom mounted on here, now we've got a Lazy Susan that when we get our bean bags done, we can lay those custom bean bags on top of these Lazy Susans. You put a camera on top of that, and it makes rotating your camera in the blind really, really easy. We've got a few more projects coming up that's going to chronicle this build at Redlands Ranch, so I hope you'll stay with us, and I hope you're as excited as we are about the day we open the place up.